Very good morning, my friends. How are you? Hope you guys are doing very well, and welcome on this new deal of the day video from Extreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. It has been long since I released my last deal of the day video. Actually, it was due to the focusing on the gold only, which was not really smart thing, because I think I was really focusing so much on the gold, and the gold was ranging, and it's actually a bit harder to trade nowadays. So, however, I think EURAUD is showing us a perfect setup, and I think it's a good idea to share with you this deal. So let's make it the deal of the day. So let me just explain to you the reasons why I think the EURAUD is going to be perfect to be bought exactly for 1.60397. First of all, if we switch to the daily chart, we can see that the market actually has made several attempts. And remember, my friends, I'm on the daily chart now. So we are talking about days of attempting to break out from that support level on 1.59530. Now, it's remarkable that the market has finally today created this strong bullish breakout candle, and as we can see on the left, we can see also right here that we have another support level, or it was actually a strong key support level, and we can tell this by seeing this price action here, which usually indicates a strength in the level. Now, of course, all of that on the daily chart. Let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, my friends, we're having right here a channel just like that. Exactly, as you can see, I just cloned this line right here and I placed it right there, and I have actually explained this in a brief in two of my videos on my channel, which called the magic of trend lines. However, what I can do right now is simply clone this line again, and as you can see here, my friends, we have right here this support trend line, which has previously become, or sorry, was actually a resistance trend line, and has actually been a support trend line, and after the breakout has become a resistance trend line. Right now, after the bullish breakout, I believe that the market is actually going to reverse exactly from this level of the resistance right here, and then it's going to fall down again, and that support trend line is going to be respected along with the support right here on the daily chart, this one right here. All of them together indicates that most likely the EURAUD is going to be good to be bought exactly right from that level. And by the way, of course, if we draw here a Fibonacci retracement, we can see that this level, exactly the one I have drawn, is Fibonacci retracement number 50. Not to mention, of course, that we also right here on the 4-hour time frame, this was the broken resistance, and this was the nearest support to the bullish breakout candle. So there are several reasons that makes me think that the EURAUD should be good to be bought right from that level. Therefore, EURAUD should be good for the buy at 1.60397. And the target will be, my friends, right here, the peak of that resistance. But however, I just want to make it more realistic and more reachable, however, because we're talking about the 4-hour time frame. So 90 pips of target should be actually good for a deal of the day. So therefore, take profit level 1.61304. Now for the stop loss. Our stop loss should be placed right here, actually, just a little bit below that support level. Why? Because we are depending actually on Fibonacci retracement number 50, and if it has went below 38.2, then most likely the setup is no longer valid, and we can expect from the pair to actually be rejected from breaking out from that resistance on 1.60397, which means our stop loss will be placed 64 pips far away. Therefore, stop loss is going to be placed 1.59754. Now, of course, it's very important to, you know something? Let me go to the daily chart. I just want to confirm that our target, if it can be higher, actually. I believe it can be higher, actually, yes. Most likely because we're having here a resistance trend line, and definitely, yes, that is actually more convenient for me. Most likely, the EURAUD is actually going to continue climbing its way, and I believe our take profit level is correct. Yes, actually it is correct. It's not gonna make any sense to make it higher than that. So this is my deal of the day, my friends. And again, I just want to inform everyone that you are taking this trade on your own responsibility. That is only my advice. That's only my analysis. I don't take any responsibility for the results of this trade. Please, you have to be extra careful about your funds. Be wise about how you are using your money. Just because this deal of the day coming from Extreme Trader doesn't cut it and confirms that it's gonna 100% win money. It has a chance to fail in the end. So please, my friends, be careful, and again, be wise, and just make sure you are investing a dedicated amount from your account to this trade. For example, make sure that your stop loss is placed on, for example, $200. Meanwhile, your take profit is placed on $400 or $350. For example, make sure that you won't lose more than that. You're a trader, means you are investor. You are investing money in this deal. So you have to prepare for the losses. They are possibly to happen. Forex is like this. Forex market is always subjective to be failed, because all what we can do is analyzing the market based on our knowledge and experience, and hoping for the market to go on this way. If the market didn't go the way I have expected, it doesn't mean that I am a scammer. It doesn't mean that I'm a bad trader. It doesn't mean that I'm a fake or a fraud. It just meant that this market did not go the way I have expected it to. Sorry for the long speech. Anyway, I really believe it's going to be a good deal, and hopefully all of us will make good profits out of it. So in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.